For many of us, the BlackBerry Classic holds a special place in our hearts. There was a time when it ruled the smartphone market, just like Apple does today. But as Android and iOS took over, BlackBerry slowly faded away. But, guess what? If you've been missing those iconic physical keyboards and that classic BlackBerry feel, there's some exciting news. A Chinese company, Zinwa Technologies, is bringing back the legendary BlackBerry Classic, but with a modern twist. Meet the Zinwa Q25, the new BlackBerry Classic 5G. This isn't just a nostalgic throwback, it's a full-blown revival with upgraded specs while keeping that signature BlackBerry charm. Let's break down what's new. BlackBerry Classic 5G, features and upgrades. Display setup. The Zinwa Q25 stays true to its roots with the classic BlackBerry look, featuring a 720x720 pixel touchscreen, that iconic physical keyboard, LED notification lights, and a retro chic design. But this time, it's getting a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate for a buttery smooth experience. Camera setup. If you're a photography lover, this might surprise you. The new BlackBerry style phone is going big on cameras. It's rumored to have a single but powerful 110-megapixel primary camera. And for selfie lovers, a 50-megapixel front camera is expected to make your snaps look crisp. Performance. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the MediaTek 7300 Plus processor, ensuring smooth multitasking and gaming. And for software, it's likely running the latest Android 14, so you won't miss out on modern apps and features. Battery life. Worried about battery? Don't be. The Zinwa Q25 is rumored to pack a massive 5000 mAh battery, which could last you 2-3 days on a single charge. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? The estimated price is around $400, making it a solid mid-range contender. As for the launch, expect it to drop by the end of this year.